today we have a real surprise in store. It's supposed to go into the 90s. You know what? For the last, I bet 10 days, it's been going into the 90s by the time I get back from the ride. So I've been leaving earlier and earlier. Pretty soon I'm going to be leaving at midnight. But at least I'm getting some riding time. And I'm getting comfortable riding time thanks to the Joe Rocket gear. Well, I got that just in the nick of time. And all I can say is any rides you get this time of year, it's like a free bonus, because I'm sure there's places in the country, being so hot, we almost don't get to ride at all. And to be honest, I have found one thing that seems to work for me on these early morning rides. I'm not sure how it comes across on the video, but I have found several loops, several riding areas where almost the whole ride is in the shade, maybe 90% of it. And boy, it's a lot cooler in the shade. And we were on the 750 yesterday, and when I edited the footage down, I said, geez, almost the whole ride was in the shade. I got to remember that loop. Then, of course, when winter comes, you want the whole ride to be in the sun, so you just can't win. So we got to take care of our chores, and we'll be ready to head out on the open road with our GS. What could be better? A part of today's harvest is we have our first 2 cherry tomatoes. How exciting is that? Holy mackerel.
Perfect.
Yeah, they are nice. Oh, early in the morning and the fish are hungry. Doesn't take long before their hunger kicks in. Now every day we take pictures, and this is the Art Thomas Memorial Tree, and it is, I'll bet by the next couple of days it's going to be in full bloom. It's a crepe myrtle. We got this in South Carolina as almost a seedling. I knew when I started this farm it was going to be a lot of work. A lot of getting up early and feeding the chickens. Pruning the banana plants. Oh my God, I was right. It's a labor of love. Oh boy, I love that crepe myrtle. There's just no end to the amount of maintenance on this property, but in the end, just like these old restored motorcycles, it's well worth it. And I always think, if I didn't spend the time doing these restorations, what would I have done with that time? I'm not sure what, how many checker games I missed, or gefilte fish sandwiches I didn't get to eat. But I know that now, at least I have these bikes, and it's time to get on the open road.
Really getting hot already. Oh man, didn't take long for it to get hot. I just missed Miles. Oh my God. Is my iced coffee ready? Man, am I hot. All right, thank you, baby. Now, what could be better after a beautiful ride on a beautiful motorcycle than to have my beautiful wife make me a beautiful cup of coffee? And I can go out there and sit and oogle that beautiful GS and then put everything away and get in air conditioning and drink more coffee. So it's time to just sit and oogle, have a nice cup of iced coffee, and think about what a great day this has been. Wow, we really had a good one here, but it got hot. But every day it gets hot. I really wish I could say I was getting used to this hot weather, but I'm not. I'm not a southern boy, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, I keep seeing those signs everywhere. It seems like every time I ride, I see more of them. Thank you, healthcare workers. Thank you, everyone. Even the people that are making that happen, even the truck drivers and everything. My God, I'd just be so happy if we can all get through this summer without any more problems. So I hope you did enjoy the video. Again, I always remind people I do enjoy making them. Editing video is one of my little hobbies that I've enjoyed. And I'm always happy to share it with my friends. And in a roundabout way, we're sharing our lives. And I hope you enjoy sharing our life. In the little farm we have here, the little toy farm or whatever you... The GS, I wish we could plant seeds and have some of these grow. Would that be nice? Maybe Dallas has some of those seeds. Anyway, again, thanks for watching.